In this video, I will show how to insert double underline in Microsoft Excel. So, like you have the text and you need double underline for this text. Press Ctrl 1. Now here, underline. So select double. You can select any color. Then click on OK. So firstly select it, Ctrl 1. Now select underline, double underline. Like this. So clearly we can see this text has double underline. If you change the color, so line and text both will be changed color. Ctrl 1. And here are some more options. Double accounting, single line. And if you want to add double line for this cell, same, select it, Ctrl 1 and select double, click on OK. So select it, right click on it, format cells, order. So select here, this double underline. You can select color and select just bottom. Click on OK. So now you have double underline. To increase and to see visible properly, like select it, right click on format cells, then select double underline. Actually we have not options here to increase the size in border. And for text, select text, right click on it, format cells, and same here, select double, size, bold, and click on OK. Thanks for watching.